witches and ghouls. Welcome back to Home Crux. My name is Priya and today we are going to make a Halloween banner. Let's get started. Let's first talk about what material we are going to use. I have this sparkly paper, this white felt. We are going to carve out boo from this and we are going to make some ghosts out of the felt. Scissors, of course. A burlap ribbon, some jute twine, black paint, black marker, a paintbrush and a pencil, and a hot glue gun to glue all this material together. First we are going to cut our sign. So our boo sign is cut out. Now we are going to cut some ribbons to glue it on. The ribbon should be twice the size of your alphabet. Now we are going to fold it in half. Make a cut like this, so that you have this banner shape. Leave about 2 centimeters above the letter where you can fold it and string it on a twine. Repeat the process for O. So this is how our sign should look, and now we are going to glue this on top of the burlap ribbon. Now fold it down and glue on the other side. Just leave a bit of space so then that the string can go through, like this. And our sign is ready. Now we are going to make some ghosts from this white felt sheet. Just take a pencil and draw some ghosts. So this is our rough layout of the banner, but we are going to add some eyes and some details to our ghosts so they look a little bit more with character. Now using black paint we are going to draw some eyes. Now take your desired length of twine. So I've made it 6 pieces, 3 to go on each side of our banner. We can leave these ribbons plain, or we can add some Halloween themed items here, such as paper cutout pumpkins. And here is our Halloween Boo banner. It will look great on your fireplace mantle, an empty wall, a window or a door. Give it a try and let us know how this turns out. Happy Halloween!